Welcome to our channel. Today we are installing the Simplicity and Historian in standalone system. Let's start it. This is my Simplicity system. First, we need to make a same user on both computer. Then set password. Then restart it. Simplicity computer and open the Historian system. Then go to manage, change the username and password. We need same username and password on both systems. Then restart it, close this, then restart it. Now go to Simplicity system, login. Now change the name of your computer if required. Now restart your computer and go to Historian PC, login it. Then change the Historian PC name also. Then go to File Manager, Property, and then rename it to Historian. Then click on Restart. Now restart it and go to Simplicity Computer, means OWS. Put the password here and go to Control Panel. Turn on the network sharing. Go to Advanced Setting. Turn on all these settings. Then go to Services. Search DNS. It's running. Then function discovery, we need to start and put it in automatic. Function discovery, this also we need to start and automatic. Then go to SSDP, it's running. Then open start UPnP service in automatic mode. Then apply and OK. And then go to Historian, same thing we need to do. Open Control Panel. Go to large icon, network, advanced, then turn on all these settings. then close it, go to services, also enable these that four services in this computer also. First DNS, then these are enables, and close it, go to services, DNS client is running, then function discovery is not running, then set automatic, then restart it, also resources, automatic start, apply, okay, then SSDP, it's running, then UPnP, it's not running, put it in automatic, then start, apply, okay, then set the IP here, then press OK, then go to adapter, put IP here also in same series, then go to, I'm not enabling the port, then restart both computers,